Secretary birds are usually silent, but they produce a deep, guttural, roaring groan or croak during displays and territory defense. Their vocalizations vary depending on the situation. Mating and threat displays, a loud, low-pitched roaring croak, often made while throwing their head backward to defend territory, challenge rivals, or perform courtship flights. Alarm, a sudden, high-pitched croak when startled or threatened. Mated pairs, soft, quiet clucks or gentle whistling sounds when interacting at the nest. Chicks, a sharp chee-uk cheeping call, which gradually transitions into squeals and loud brays as they mature.